Here at GourmetGiftBaskets.com, we love food and believe in creating a unique gourmet experience for every occasion. While we focus on high-end brands that people love and trust, we also aim to include the surprise of tasting something new and exciting. We search the world for the best gourmet foods. Then we taste them, and taste them again, and maybe taste them one more time to ensure only the most decadent, irresistible items are included in our gifts. Each item is carefully chosen to complement others in the selection, then beautifully arranged with care and attention to quality. Boasting the widest variety of basket options in the industry, GourmetGiftBaskets.com can provide the perfect munch, crunch, chomp, sip, and for every holiday, occasion, or just because. The best part is choosing a basket. Shop by occasion, item, or price, or simply let your taste buds lead the way. Once you've made your selection and placed your order, relax. We'll take care of the rest. Whether it's one gift or many, we take great pride in ensuring that your gift arrives on time and delivers the gourmet taste experience that we're so passionate to share, although we can't guarantee they'll want to. Give the gift of wow with GourmetGiftBaskets.com.